Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube has dragged his feet in clarifying whether there are any independent auditors appointed to verify the reserves backing the just-introduced ZiG currency. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The ZiG has advanced 1.6% on the official market, but like its predecessor, it continues to face headwinds on the parallel market, where it has so far waned by 20% since inception. Speaking to Bloomberg on the sidelines of the International Monetary Fund's (IMF) spring meetings currently underway in Washington, D.C., Mthuli Ncube, who was challenged to share details of independent auditors to verify the reserve stocks, could not immediately do so. It's very important for the public to be confident about the existence of these reserves that are backing the currency. By law, we have put in place mechanisms that auditors should be able to audit the existence of this gold. In today's news, Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube drags feet on appointing independent auditors to check gold reserves backing ZiG currency. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.